What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. I appreciate all you guys that joined the family. If you have not done so, please hit that subscribe button right down below. All it does is give you updates to the daily crypto news and updates on your favorite coins and tokens along the way. It does not cost you anything. It just helps the channel grow. So why am I making this video? And I'm making this video for all of you that are beginners in crypto, or those of you that are looking for more information into 2023 on how to invest in crypto. All right, this is a general education video with 5 key things to keep in mind when we look at a coin or a token and navigate on how we're going to approach these from an investing standpoint. So with that being said, hit that subscribe button if you have not done so, and let's take a quick look into what crypto markets are doing on the day. You can see pretty much flat overall considering the gains that we have had earlier in the week. All right, you can see Bitcoin and Ethereum basically flat on the day. Solana is down 3% almost, giving back some of those huge gains that we saw earlier in the week. Pretty much flat. All right, so a couple percent here, a couple percent there. Nothing really moving. No real key indicators. Everything is just kind of on hold, awaiting more and more information as we get more inflationary data and more of the macro things settled in the month of January. Just starting the new year too, there's a lot of the same sentiment that we had in 2022 to end the year. So let's just keep on the positive days and hoping for more positive catalysts that can come out from the Fed and other sources contributing to these macroeconomic factors that are weighing crypto down. All right, so we're gonna have our eyes on that, but now let's get into investing in crypto this winter. Okay, so these are 5 key points to remember before adding a crypto to your portfolio. All right, so crypto is growing. The adoption is getting wider and wider. Okay, more and more people are getting in crypto. I always like to talk in my videos about how everybody wants to know where crypto is headed. Where is the price predictions for these coins? Okay, so I want to point out just briefly, when you talk about coins and how we had that huge bull run in 2021, you got to remember that the adoption of crypto was not there. Okay, so that all happened. That sparked, despite its demise, commercials, FTX commercials, celebrities, endorsements, partnerships, collaborations, corporations, incorporations within payment structures, within businesses that are established. Crypto spread like wildfire, okay? So that adoption has grown despite giving up all of those gains and retreating back to pre-bull run 2021 levels. Crypto has been more steadily adopted worldwide. Now that is what is important to take home, because if we do have another bull run, just imagine all of the volume from all of the users and all of the holders within these coins and tokens that will skyrocket crypto further, okay? So that's kind of a key point I like to talk about when we briefly just talk about adoption. But let's get back to this article and talk about these 5 key points to remember, okay? So this is what we are looking, because in crypto there is very little transparency, there's very little certainty, and right now more than ever is all fear and uncertainty. Okay, so that is what we have, because as consumers and investors, we really have no protection up until this point. Regulators are still trying to combat crypto. They're still trying to get a hold on it and how they're going to regulate crypto to protect investors. Okay, so that's another article we can get into when we talk about what is a security and what is not a security. Okay, so now let's get into these 5 points. Okay, so when you have your first thing, it is your crypto portfolio. Okay, so how are you mixing and diversifying your assets within your wallet? Okay, so you should have some volatile assets. Also, you should have some of your blue chips like Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the ones that kind of move crypto and do less of the moving themselves. Okay, these are the blue chips. These are the ones out of your blue bloods that will always hold true, and they have the least volatility, albeit volatility is in every cryptocurrency. Okay, so that is kind of important when you form your portfolio. You always hear people diversify, diversify, diversify. Well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, stable coins, that's how you achieve diversification, and you get more if you will, kind of less volatile assets, okay, that can still go up in price and still appreciate. However, they provide less volatility to kind of round out your wallet in case some of the other cryptos that are higher in volatility, basically fall off the map. Okay, so that'll help average your wallet and get you kind of more of a better steady growth coming from that wallet. All right, so the second point is utility. All right, utility is what everybody talks about when what does a coin basically do? All right, so this is the most crucial element that we have because everybody sells utility, right? They sell the idea of utility. However, nobody for the most part, nobody delivers. Okay, so that is what is highly important because use cases can be found in the white paper, and a lot of the time it's BS. It's just a way to get you on board and part of that community. Okay, so it is just mostly a lure and a draw to gain money, to gain investors and holders. Okay, however, there are a lot of projects that you can believe in that do very positive work. Their tokenomics are fascinating, and they do deliver on the utility front. Okay, so high quality coins that have great use cases is another key point to drive home when you're looking for crypto to invest in. It has to have utility. Okay, so if the utility is going down and the coin is just not delivering, you're going to see the value of that coin go down ultimately. Okay, so also I touched on white papers. So the third point is white papers. All right, so the white papers are basically the blueprint to investing in that crypto. All right, that will list basically the ins and outs, its plans, its roadmap, its tokenomics. That is what you want to know. Also, that will give you a better view of what kind of audits they have done. You know, basically how they are trying to let you guys know that the project is legit. The white papers are the foundation that the coin or token stands on. All right. So that will just be a reassurance factor to kind of let you know that that coin is legit. And that is what you need to pay attention to when you're trying to maybe get into like the next 100x, or you hear somebody selling the next 100x crypto. All right, so white papers is what you should automatically go look for. If there is no white papers, I would probably go in the opposite direction. All right, now the fourth point is market cap. Okay, so market capitalization is something to determine which cryptocurrency to invest in next as well. All right, so this will also talk about value from high to low when you compare it to other cryptos. All right, now what this happens is it necessarily isn't a key indicator because when you look at startups, for example, even in traditional stock investing, market cap can be low, and that is not necessarily a bad thing. And the lower you get, and the earlier you get within a crypto, the lower that will be. Okay, so it can be a pro and a con, and it can be a red flag, and it also could be a white flag. So you have to look at the above points, the white papers, check the legitimacy, check the audits. Okay, is there utility? Is this coin a thought, or is it actually a plan that is executed and will be executed further and be around for a while? Okay, or is it just going to fizzle out and die, and it's just a way for people to pump and dump and make more money? All right, so market capitalization is something that could be taken with a grain of salt because I myself have invested in low market capitalization crypto and been very successful in getting up into 10x plus territory involving that crypto. All right, so it is something that needs to be taken into account, however, not too further evaluated against what the coin and where the coin is presently at and trading at. Okay, because basically you can get a low market cap coin become the next 10 plus X crypto in your wallet, which is very fascinating and fun ride to be on. Okay, so in the final point to drive home is crypto developments. Okay, blockchain technology is constantly evolving. We have majors now surrounding blockchain. You're seeing more and more corporations incorporate different infrastructure into their corporations, albeit no crypto involvement on their front. Okay, so it is basically the foundation of crypto. All right, so how you can see crypto in the future will revolve about blockchain technology, and the more and more you can educate yourself within that blockchain technology will give you the biggest advantage to understanding how cryptos are moving and what they are building. Okay, so this basically is how I like to play. Put your mind in the mind of a developer, but you have to know what blockchain is. Okay, and if you can do that, that'll put you at another advantage while you look into 2023 to invest in crypto. Okay, So guys, remember, not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. However, I just wanted to pass along these 5 key principles to investing in crypto to stay safe in 2023. All right, please do your own research with all things financial. And plus, if you have not done so, let me tell you guys again, it does not cost you anything. Hit that subscribe button down below. Join the family. We will have crypto updates along the way, covering all of your favorite cryptos and everything to do with crypto on the daily. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it, and we'll see you all in the next video.